In this video, I'll show you how to automatically send a welcome email in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to click on the third option, which is automations. Now, once you are on the automation section, there are two ways to use the automations. The first way is by simply build your automation from scratch, and the second way is by choosing from one of the flow templates. Since we want to learn how to create an automation, we will start to build from scratch. So click on the first option to build from scratch. Once you do that, it will take you to create a flow. And on the flow details, you just want to add this as a welcome message. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on choose a trigger. Now, in creating a welcome email, the trigger that we want to use is whenever a user signs up for an email. So on the left-hand side, you want to choose popular. From here, head over to the second option and click signs up for email. Once you do that, it will automatically add the contacts. And if you have imported a contact that is new, on the left-hand side, you can include the imported contacts that are new. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Save Trigger. Now you want to add a step since this is the trigger. Whenever a person or whenever a contact signs up to your campaign, the step or the action is either a send email or a send SMS. If you send an email, you can simply hold and drag to the step. Once you send an email, it will automatically pop up in here. From here, you can send a to and from to their email address from our company. So on the right-hand side, you can simply edit this. From here, you can change the to field. Let's say you want to add their first name instead of the email address. On the from name, you want to add your company name. And on the email address, you want to make sure that this is the exact email address that your new subscribers will see. At the bottom, click on Save. On the subject, in here, we want to set subject and a preview text. We want to send the subject as welcome to either your company. And on the preview text, this is where you can add a text that appears in the inbox after the subject line. We can say, thank you for subscribing. You can also ask AI to generate a subject line and a preview text option. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Save. Now on the schedule, head over to the right-hand side and click on Edit. From here, you can select which days should your email send. You want to set this to every day since you expect new contacts to pop up every day. On the time, you want to send this as soon as possible. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Save. Once you are ready with your welcome message, on the right-hand side, this is where you can choose a template. So click on Select a Template. Now on Select a Template, you want to simply scroll down until you find Welcome. From here, you can see all of the welcome templates in which you can apply. If you click on the top to see all, it will automatically show you all of the welcome templates in which you can add, and you can also edit them into your liking. Let's say I want to add this as my welcome template, so simply click on Apply. And once you do that, you'll be taken to the builder wherein you can start editing your welcome campaign. And once you're done, head over to the top bar and on the right corner, click on Save and Return to Journey, which is our automation. And once you have successfully added your step, you will see that it will turn to green, which means that it is successful. Now at the top and the right corner, you can choose to send the test emails, or you can just simply click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, it will review your automation flow. In here, it will say that the trigger is confirmed, the flow settings are configured, and the content looks good. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on Turn Flow On. Once you do that, whenever you have a new contact or a subscriber within your campaign, it will automatically send them a welcome message. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.